shooter.
And the shot, stand up, Chikahakwe.
E te iwi, no mai ki tā tātou. Papa hotanga mata ora atu I ngā purapura I te Wānanga o Raukawa. It is the 8th edition of Te Wānanga o Raukawa, hosted ANZ Premiership Pre-Season Poi Tarawhiti tournament in Ōtaki. No mai ki te Kemu, it's the last game of the day I Wānanga I te kapa Magic me te kapa Steel, called Bridget Tanikla-Whahau. With me on the commentary desk is Cruz Tangira. Tēnā koe.
Tēnā koe ho ai tika tau. Te keme mutunga I tēnei wāhoi no atu I tēnā kei te rite, kei te hari mo tēnei kemu, tēnei pakanga e tū mai nei.
So it is the Magic, and we did Magic versus Steel, and we did catch up with the coaches pre-game. Let's hear from Mary Jane Araroa first.
MJ, mihi ana kia koe I tō wā. Thank you for your time this evening. A loss this afternoon, but it was only by 3 points. What, I guess, differences would you like to see this evening against the Steel?
Yeah, look, we looked at the game for us and we had a lot of great gains in that game, but we also gave a lot of ball away. So obviously that's an area we want to tidy up. Our CPA as well, like we want to make sure that we get a good average out there and hit our targets, and it's just a matter of 7 more CPA finishes that'll get us there. But I was really pleased with our defensive unit, and we have been working really hard over the last couple of weeks.
I also love to see the combinations that you tested in that game as well, specifically down that shooting end. How, I guess, do they bring themselves into the game in order to kind of get that win this evening?
Yeah, what we're trying to focus on is staying in the process and staying in their roles as well. And whilst it's about new connections, it's how do we connect not only on the inside but also outside. So the ability to bring their voices, the ability to demand from each other as well, those will be critical things that we want to continue to work on.
Let's hear the thoughts of Southern Steel coach Wendy Frew.
Wins in a strong win this afternoon, a pretty confident win as well. Must be happy with that performance, but as you head into this game against the Magic, anything different you'd like to see this afternoon?
Yeah, I think we would like to adapt on court and change things up slightly. There was the odd thing that we weren't doing so well, and then we should have adapted on the court, so we've had a good conversation about that. But in general, real happy with the game. We got lots of combinations out there and everyone got plenty of court time, so it's a good time to trial combos and people coming on, people starting, and see where we're at.
Well, one combination that I was excited to see in that game is between Josie Bingham and Ella Southby. Smile on your face, Wendy. I mean, the future's bright for those two players.
Yeah, very bright. It's nice that, you've got to layer the height and then you can bring on some shorter shooters and make it a bit more mobile. So exciting for us, and I thought they played well. They hadn't actually had a lot of court time together at training, so they produced that out there.
And I guess talk about the leadership role that Georgia Heffernan now takes in that shooting circle. Obviously, Alia Dunn is still there, but it is a good chance for Georgia to kind of step up now that she's in that Ferns environment as well. Yeah,
G's come back this season and she's just leading from the front and everything she does. She's a real professional and she's well respected from the girls, and she obviously puts it out on the court too. So great to see some growth in her, and really looking forward to her building on last season. I thought she played really well and then getting time in the black dress, so exciting for G.
Exciting for G, exciting for you guys. Can't wait to see you out there this evening.
Thank you, we're looking forward to it.
Anei te rārangi ua mō te team Magic. Goal shooters Kate Taylor, goal attack Xavier Tui, wing attack Ariana Cable-Dixon, centre Ellie Wilshire, wing defence Georgie Edgecombe, goal defence Ocean Maihi, goalkeep Irina Makairea, on the bench Losa Fafita, Sarah Guinea, Brooklyn Murray, Jay Carfair and Kenza Taylor.
And if we have a look at the Steel goal shooters, Alia Dunn, she'll team up with Ella Southby in that goal attack. Wing attack Serena Dona Kamakama, centre Ashley Poi, wing defence Jessica Milne, goal defence for this evening is Kanye Lee, Munro Nanoa, and goalkeep is Kara Stife.
So earlier today, Steel had a good win over the Stars. Magic were beaten by the Tactics earlier this morning, but only 3 goals in it.
And this match is only 40 minutes long, so 20 minutes shorter than the normal netball matches. The Super Shot period played at the end of the last 3 minutes of each quarter.
Ashley Poi with the ball. Yes, she is the sister of Kimiora Poi. to go backwards. Good defensive work from the Magic. Dunn has to come out. South B, the training partner, has a go. Oh, too much for Wilshire.
Yeah, just pushing that ball a little bit too far. Good pressure here though from the Magic. Again, just forcing that ball over. Great pickup by Iranami Kaire.
Cable Dixon in at wing attack. Bounce pass, top of the circle, clever.
Yeah, hard ball. Carol Stark just doing enough to put some doubt in Saviour Tui's mind.
Makaire again disrupting. Oh, nearly a hell ball.
Perfect placement of the feed by Dona Kamakama.
Oh, she did well off the line. She was marked by 2 players, Cable Dixon. Done out.
Oh, Mahi, she was looking for it.
Done just in time, releases.
Yeah, you feel like she's going to get called for a hard ball potentially if she holds it for any longer.
Cable Dixon having to go back for support.
Again, yeah, the beautiful swing to the top of the circle.
With a fight for the rebound, Taylor comes up with it. Oh. Now, whose contact is that?
Well, it's caught on Ellie Wilshire. Strong hit.
Oh, it's a good effort from Mahi. Quick off the mark.
Oh, great work by Monrona Noa, and she gets it as well. Steal throw-in. Came off the legs of co-captain Georgie Edgecombe. You can hear the bench of the Magic just trying to sway the calls from the umpire.
Dona Kamakama, Dunn's coming out a lot like she did in the earlier game today. Good defensive hustle from Cable Dixon.
Oh, and again, a turnover for the Magic. Pressure there by Jessica Milne.
Jessica Milne on 1 foot, finds Dona Kamakama.
Beautiful footwork there by Dona Kamakama, just getting around the arms of Makaire. So the lead 3 now. Oh, and again, unforced error here by the Magic, and that was one of the comments there by head coach MJ Araroa, that they need to convert more on their centre pass attack.
Dona Kamakama lets rip into Dunn. Thumbs up.
Well, team time out here for the Magic, and rightly so. Last two centre pass attacks for the Magic haven't been converted, hence the difference in scoreline being 4.
Yeah, I know it's early days, but goal defence Munro Nanor for the steal. She's putting, you can see the pressure that she's putting on the Magic shooters. Jessica Milne, she's the Australian import player. She's at wing defence, and Cara Stith at the back. It's a strong defensive unit.
Well, and Munro Nanor and Milne really can switch between those two positions as well. So plenty of options there for head coach Wendy Frew. So the Magic, it is only 4 points, as you said, Bridget, but also the quarters are 5 minutes less as well. So this game is going to speed by. You want to make sure you're staying in touch.
Yeah, I mean, although the Magic are one of the teams that has managed to hold on to a lot of its players, the fact that they have lost Emilia and Ekanasio, any team would hate to lose a player that good.
Yeah, certainly. And as we know, she brings so much wealth and experience to that goal attack position. However, on the flip side, a really good opportunity for the likes of Savia Tui to step up, take control, show everyone what she's made of in that goal attack. Obviously, she's part of that Civil Ferns program as well, so an opportunity for her to kind of present her versatility as Dona Kamakama just as easy as you like. Ella Southby with her own rebound. Another attempt, and she'll make it count.
Edge came over to Cable Dixon.
Oh, strong in the air. Kate Taylor just flicking that ball to herself.
Wow, she really pulled the trigger on that one, Dona Kamakama.
She's been fantastic so far in this quarter. Her vision, but also equally her speed. Have a look at this. Straight into Alia Dunn. Strong hold by Alia Dunn as well. Bit of a set play off the centre pass there for the Magic.
Yeah, nice swinging of the ball. Dona Kamakama goes to Dunn, who's outside, and Southby makes sure that she's in the circle when that happens.
Well, the speed of Southby along the baseline as well. Cable Dixon, oh, Stith just disrupts that pass. Again, that swing to the top of the circle. They've done that about 4 times in this quarter. Potentially something that the Steel may want to look at. Maybe just get ball side rather than being on the outside of their attacking player.
Southby going back on 1 foot. Dona Kamakama, good take from Dunn.
For the 2, Southby. Oh, strong in the air, Alia Dunn.
She's going to have a crack at it. Nicely done.
No pun intended there. Great work by Alia Dunn. Pushes that lead out to 6 for the Steel. Savia Tui, she'll go for the long range.
Yeah, up to the task.
Beautiful passing cut again. The speed shown by the Steel. Oh, but a turnover. Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
Ashley Poy, the elevation. Oh,
It was a great 3-foot guard. She's not that tall.
Look at that. The elevation, beautiful, and recovered the ball. Finished nicely by South Beat. Again, another turnover. Who is it? Ashley Poi. Ball on the string at the moment for the steal, and they'll get another opportunity at goal.
Milne, transverse line. Oh, good work from Edgecombe. Can she chase it down? Wilshire does. Saviour Tui looking for options.
Beautiful rotation there by Kate Taylor.
Wilshire in the corner. Another drive along the baseline from Kate Taylor. Just 10 seconds left. Can the Steele sneak in another goal?
Beautiful feed. Oh, she's just falling out of court.
So it is the Steele who take that opening quarter. They're leading the Magic 13-19. We're going to take a quick break. Be back soon.
Start your journey in Te Reo Māori with Huia Te Reo. Experience a holistic approach to well-being with Whakapiki Māori, or become a māngai for your whānau through tūwhai kōrero and karanga. 16 to 20 week online courses. Enroll now for a July start.
Do you think the other sports kind of owe touch a little bit of like thank you for developing?
Big time. We're going to talk about that.
Man, the skill set that we have is getting contracted now for top tier money.
It's still fully user pays.
There's a lot of people that have transferred from touch. A lot of them are the superstars of those codes, eh?
When is it going to get the credit that it deserves?
It could be an Olympic sport and it should get a lot more recognition.
I've always credited touch for those skills. It needs a bit more love.
The People's Game, streaming now ki Māori Plus.
This is rhythm and legacy. This is harmony and haka. This is our culture on the home stage, loud and proud. Watch all 13 2026 Kapahaka Regionals, streaming live ki Māori Plus me whakaata Māori.
Estefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, from up the coast to down south, stories told our way.
How can you not be amped about that?
Sharp as a tack,
You're the mana mancha.
deep as an ocean. Ahakoa kei hea koe, kei reira a Māori Plus.
Hey, tēnā koe.
Quick scroll, one tap, ka mau kua uru mai koe. Pause it, rewind it, play that part again, turn it up. This is Māori Plus.
Get ready with me.
Tō mātou reo.
Kau te manoarere, kau.
Tō mātou puku hohe.
So a lot of eggplant emojis there, matua.
Aroha mai, babe.
Tō mātou tiroha. Watch it when it suits you, how it suits you.
What? I know.
Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download Māori Plus on your devices. Whakapiripiri mai, whakatatatata mai rā. Kia Māori te tipua te tamaiti I tōna tai ao Māori. Te huinga te tini, me te manu, te kaupapa ahure. E te iwi, nau mai ki te whakataetai ASP Polyfest 2026. Ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
hoki mai ki te hauwha tuarua rather, getting ahead of myself, but it is the Steel leading the Magic 13-9, and Cruz, I think you'd have to say the major difference for the Steel right now is their shooting end is just completely on song.
Yeah, and being fed nicely by Serena Dona Kamakama, as I mentioned her name probably 5 times in that quarter. Certainly proving her worth for the Steel. She's there on your screen. Having a quick chat with Georgia Heffernan, who's just come onto the court for the Steel as well, as Georgia Edgecombe will get us underway for the second quarter.
Wilshire finds Edgecombe.
Kamiotapoi. Yeah, hard ball there. Kamiotapoi on at centre, taking the position of her sister, sorry.
Munro Nanoa is stuck, has to go backwards. Good defensive work, Magic. Deep passing. Dunn has been excellent from what we've seen so far.
Oh, again, the work off the line.
Yeah, and she had 2 defenders on her.
Yeah, just far too easy. But Brooklyn Murray, while she gets a tip, couldn't quite recover that one. Georgia Heffernan just working herself in.
Magic with the throw in.
Oh, Georgia Heffernan. That is a great example of how you turn attack into defense, but I'm not too sure what happened there actually.
Yeah, quick changing of position. It is now down in the shooting circle into the hands of Tui. So Maihi with the ball. Tui outside, fires it into Cable Dixon. Wilshire, sorry. Tui, yeah, you can see she's going to pass to Taylor.
Again, 2-on-1 there for Serena Dona Kamakama, but she's getting that ball with ease.
Oh, tough one for Poi. She was between a Magic sandwich.
Magic certainly have come out with more intensity in this quarter.
Wilshire with the reset. Ops for Taylor.
Oh, great placement on that feed as well. Oh, and she gets a tip, but Ellie Wilshire on the edge of the circle, out muscling her opponent.
Dona Kamakama fires it down. Ira Makaire came out. Oh, look at the multiple dodges by Heffernan. She's a hard worker.
Much needed goal here for the Steel.
Oh, yeah.
Well, just that pressure by Manaro Nanoa. Just playing that front foreside.
Yeah, Dunn just manages to pull a lot of those contacts on the baseline because she's just so strong. She doesn't move off point. strong take, Poi.
Oh. Great work in between those, so you could see.
Dunn wasn't sure if she should go for it. Just pulled out just in the nick of time. Kim finds Wilshire. Just a miscommunication between Tui and Edgecombe.
Well, you can hear the defensive setup being ISO, standing for isolate, so the ball carrier is left alone, and then you pick up every single option that is available, and that's what happens. You turn the ball over, but also that's what happens when you have no option to the ball for the steal. Good screen there for the steal. Probably a set play. Take as well by Poi.
Oh, nice work from Makaidia. Oh, Kama gets a hand in the air, forces a turnover. Heffernan doesn't want to shoot from the air. Maybe she should have.
Yeah, probably put too much pressure on Alia Dunn to get that one. Oh, unlucky for Poi. Just called for obstruction.
Brooklyn Murray with the ball. This is her first contract in the ANZ Premiership. Tui still, I guess, getting used to, well, she has spent some time at goal, but her predominant position is goal shoot. So something for her to work her way into. Finding an option.
Yeah, just getting held up a little bit though.
Yeah, great defensive work from the centre and wing defence as well. They find a way through the magic and making it count, Saviour Tui. Good defensive work, Magic. Oh, she was free.
Well, Camille Poi met the ground, but it went directly into Alia Dunn as the steal call a team timeout. Have a look at this. Poi hits the floor, but great vision again from the wing attack for the steal. Equally great intensity in this quarter from the Magic. Bridget certainly just lifting it up a notch a little bit and just applying a lot more pressure in that defensive end. Makaidia getting a few tips as well.
Yeah, she's sort of imposing herself, isn't she? Really using that height, and she's sort of at her. Sometimes she's at her best when she sort of with the 3-foot guard, and she attacks the pass rather than hanging back on the shooter. But yeah, the Steel had a 4-goal lead after the first quarter, so better work from the Magic. Just a reminder, this is a 40-minute game, and the 2-point shot comes into play in the last 3 minutes of each quarter.
Great to see the crowd enjoying their time. It's been a long day here at Te Wānanga Raukawa. We started at 10 o'clock this morning and we're still going. But e mihi ana ki ngā kaimataki I konei. Thankful to everyone that has turned up today to support all of the teams. We've seen all 5 teams on display, which is great to have everyone here.
Yeah, some people making a real weekend out of it. It's the way to do it. Edgecombe with the ball, just over 2 minutes left in this first half. Will Shy edge of the circle into the gut of Savitui. She's going to go for it. It's worth it. Magic taking the lead. Is she going to let it go? Oh, perhaps not the right option.
Well, MJ Araro said that Georgie Edgecombe leads by example, and she is certainly doing that tonight.
Yeah, I would not be at all surprised if we see Edgecombe in the Silver Ferns in the next couple of years.
Oh, the confidence there by Taylor. Just turned and let it go.
Yeah, 2 in a row for the Magic. Has a bit of space there now, Taylor.
Yeah, the flow certainly coming down this attacking end.
Donna Kamakama, yeah, she saw it done coming.
Much needed goal here there for the Steel.
Tui opts to dish off to Taylor.
Oh, Maihi, she was close.
That was awkward, but she'll be relieved that her teammate picked it up. I do believe that shooters had the advantage when there's a rebound because they know when they're going to miss it.
Certainly.
So they know when to go up for it.
Tui for the last shot of the half, makes it count.
So a better, far better quarter there from the Magic. They have taken the lead over the Steel, 24-19. And we will just have a quick break and be back for second half action in a few minutes.
Whakanui a te rima te kautau o whakatupuranga ruamai. Neke atu I te whā te kautau, te tūhono I ngā iwi ki te mātauranga Māori. Ko te mana āhapu, ko te mana āiwi. Tomo kia ngā whare mātauranga. Te whare kōkiri, te whare whakatupu mātauranga, te whare oranga, te whare whakākoranga, me te whare kōrero. Nau mai ki te kāinga o Ōtaki. Haere mai ki te Wānanga o Raukawa.
All good.
So, might I bring home his girlfriend, or...?
No, surprise to us all, eh? Didn't think it was going to be a girl at first.
So, what do you do for mahi?
Well, I'm learning to be a barista at Robert Harris.
Girl makes coffee. Coffee, beans, milk, kia ora. Have a lovely day.
How?
Oh, Mum, man. Mum just starts having a go at it.
Ka mahi kawhia koe. Is that like a passion for you, or?
Oh, like, you know, giving it to...
Personally, I don't think so. I think that was just a normal way of meeting your soon-to-be mother-in-law, eh?
I play netball in the weekend. He nui aku mahi.
Geez, your generation seems to be able to do it all, eh?
Ki au ko tāna māma he māma tino hehi ana te whakahaere I ngā tūmomo mea katoa.
What position are you playing?
Wing D.
And...
Why wing defence?
Just wing D. Koe ra noiho.
She would have been eaten alive back in our days. Oh, we did every position. There was no, oh, we only play goal shoot, we only play wing defence. You play the whole court, girl. What a girl. That's what she would have been. Bib runner.
Oh, well, I do play rep.
Just talking about indoor netball, Mum.
We didn't have indoor courts, always outdoor on the grass and the mud and all.
Yeah, tough. Built tough.
Yeah.
The wahine in this whānau, we built tough.
Just having a... Mum.
Hey, turi turi.
We're just having a lovely, wholesome conversation. Hey, bub. Hey. Hey.
Turi turi, Trish.
Hey.
Be gentle with our girl.
Oh, whoa,
She's working really hard, you know.
Why is everyone yelling at me?
Very popular drinks the next, especially coffee.
Everyone at this table just needs to kato. Calm down. We're all about here. I need it down here.
You need to calm down, Mum. Everybody's lips are zipped except for yours. You can play netball inside. Don't break a window. Mum, you're old school. Nana, you're old school. This is new school, okay? Like, turi turi. That means...
Fine. We'll start again.
Does it even matter?
Tell me something else interesting about yourself.
Well, I sing with my friends.
Oh, yeah, Mum. She's a mean-ass singer.
Oh, nera. Well, waiata mai.
A little bit whakama.
Now, Barb, don't feel threatened just because you're sitting in the presence of the lead soprano for the Woolshed Women's Choir here in Te Awamitu. Just in case you all wanted to know. Hey, that's me. You might see me around. A couple of posters here and there.
Just wish my family was normal.
Waiata mai, Barb. Come on. Lovely waiata. Hey, when I came in to save her.
Oh, and then Mum tries harmonising her out of nowhere.
Lovely job.
Kia nei tino pakaru aku taringa I te wairongo ai tonu reo e puta mai tana waha.
We've got to start somewhere.
Good job.
Shush you. I'd like to hear you try. Sing like your father.
Do a little verse, maybe? Show us what you're really made of.
Oh, mate. No. Does Beyonce show up and just give you a concert? No, not for free. Dreamer.
All good.
Ko te reo, te take.
And the shot, stand up, tika hapwe.
No mai, hoki mai. We're about to get underway here. The second half, it is the Magic leading the Steel 24-19. After the Steel led by 4 after the first quarter. Hard to know which way this game's going to go.
Yeah, big quarter, big scoring quarter there for the Magic, and just before half-time, scoring 15 compared to the Steel 6. A few changes for both sides as well.
Yeah, she finds a release down to Taylor. Jess Milne is back at goalkeep for the Steel. She's the import player.
Josie Bingham in at wing attack. And Kenza Talia. Oh, strong rebound by Alia Dunn. She had 2 over her.
Taylor lines up the shot. It's another. Georgia Heffernan finds Poi, top of the circle.
Oh, again, Alia Dunn. If she can't get it cleanly, 9 times out of 10, she'll flick it to herself to then recover the ball.
Wilshire goes to Kate Taylor outside. Is she's there for the next pass. Replay ball, Wilshire.
Oh, unlucky McRae. Footwork call.
Edgecombe goes over the top to Taylor. Oh, nice dodging.
Yeah, beautiful footwork there by Poi.
Oh, she's going to have to let it go. She does.
Well, that was a pass on hope, I think. She had really nothing else on.
Oh, just not even Edgecombe could pull that one in. Oh, way too much for Bingham.
Oh, tangled arms there between Murray and Bingham.
Taylor, yep, just losing the defender. Bring them over the top. Just about got there, Brooklyn Murray.
Bingham, it's a fight. Oh, the commitment there from Edgecombe. Literally dived on that board to get it back in. Oh, I'd love to see that again. That was athleticism at its finest from the co-captain.
Good defensive work here from the Steel. They find Taylor in the end.
Well, they need to make this one count just to reward the work of Edgecombe. Kawhi. And she makes it count. Let's have a look at this. Literally dives on it.
Oh, wow.
It back in.
Yeah. It does make me a little nervous when players do that. Yeah, great take from Alia Dunn.
So the difference still 5, just under 5 minutes left in the third quarter.
Nice work from Kawhi. Stife lets it go to Poi. Two on one against Dunn. But they can't forget about Georgia Heffernan either.
Magic have done a really good job of just controlling the pace in these last 2 quarters.
Oh, that was amazing. What a drive from Kawhi.
Yeah, speaking of pace as well, the speed there on that pass.
Swinging it over to Poi. Done. Safe as houses under that post. Kawhia bounce pass against intercepted.
Again, we talk about athleticism. Kimiura Poi, one of the best in the game.
Dan recovers well.
Kimiura Poi closes it down, just chucks it back
behind
in.
a head.
Great angle there by our cameraman too. Ella Southby coming back on at goal attack. Sorry, on at wing attack. Done for the 2. Oh, Alia Dunn, she's done that about 3 times this evening.
She just has the Midas touch on those rebounds. Knows when to tap it, knows when to catch it, knows when to flick it. Kawhia goes back, hits the top of the circle, bounce pass. Oh, does that open things up? Not yet, having to go back.
Oh, hands there from Edgecombe. Kawhia for the 2. Oh, she's successful. She's been hot this evening.
Yeah, good defensive pressure, having to go backwards. Can they keep it alive, the Magic? Somehow. Wilshire, edge of the circle. Oh no, it'll be a reset to Edgecombe. Mill has to stand down.
So the Magic push that lead out 34-27.
Done, man, she's good. She only needs a tiny bit of real estate and she still catches it.
So 20 seconds left. Perhaps the last attempt at goal for the Magic. Oh, and they get it. What can they do? 10 seconds.
Steele, have to get their skates on.
Look for...
Stephen Call against Poi. Another good quarter there from the Magic, leading the Steel 34-28. We'll come back in a few minutes for the last 10 minutes of netball for the day.
Start your journey in Te Reo Māori with Huia Te Reo. Experience a holistic approach to well-being with whakapiki Māori, or become a māngai for your whānau through tūwhai kōrero and karanga. 16 to 20 week online courses. Enroll now for a July start.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house. From the park to the city, stories told our way. Quick scroll, one tap, ka mau, kua uru mai koe. Hey, tēnā koe. Tō mātou reo.
Kia te MΑORI, te MAORI, kia.
Tō mātou puku hohe.
So what up? Ekwāna emojis there, my
Tō mātou tirohanga. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MAORI Plus on your devices. Te hui ngā te tini, me te mana, kaupapa ahuri. Whakapiripiri mai, whakatatatata mai rā. ASB Polyfest 2026. Ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
This is rhythm and legacy. This is harmony and haka. This is our culture on the home stage, loud and proud. Watch all 13 2026 Kapahaka Regionals streaming live ki Māori Plus me whakaata Māori.
Hai Aotia!
Ko tahi hatu! Me haro! Hey! Tahi, rua, toru! Koina ke te tāhi. E whakapono ana hau, ma angi hei tongi te ao. Nei haro! Ka rawe! Ki te mahi tahi mātau, ka tēnā. Te tika, whakaatu mai tō taha. Mahi tika ana.
Local drama, international drama, the best of Indigenous talents, drama queens,
Just wake up, sis.
and epic scenes, fiction-laced, you shouldn't have done that, or reality-based, award-winning, riveting. If you go looking for drama, let it find you right here, this year. Ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
No mai, hoki mai to the final quarter of the day, and it is the Magic leading the Steel 34-28. A turnaround from the first quarter when the Steel won that by 4. And just across the whole court, an improvement from the Magic. But I also think that Edgecombe and Wilshire in the middle are a real powerhouse.
Would have to agree with you 100% on that one. Bridget, specifically Edgecombe, I think she's done a really good job of both attacking the defensive pressure, but also just bringing calmness when she needs to, specifically on those feeds, as Dona Kamakama gets us underway for the fourth quarter. Knocks off a Fita, and unfortunately, ball went out of court, so thrown for the Steel, but pressure already applied, as you can see here, hunting high.
The Kaire is back on at goal defence for this quarter. Brooklyn Murray at wing defence. Bingham punching forward. Goal attack, bib on now.
Kenza Taile in at centre for the Magic, shifting up from that wing defence position. And great to see Ariana Cable-Dixon as well back on the court.
Sarah Guinea on. No one there really backing that rebound up. Dona Kamakama buys it down to Bingham. She's alone in the pocket, Dona Kamakama.
Oh, easy. Well, just the pressure being let off here by the Magic. Just a contact call inside the circle as Georgia Heffernan lines up. And it just rolls out. Oh, another turnover here for the Steel, just creating that pressure.
Yeah, Milne just breathing down the neck of Kate Taylor.
Playing that kind of one-on-one Aussie defensive style that she's very used to.
Heffernan now with goal shoot bib on. Dunn's been brilliant, but she's gone to the sideline. Bingham, good work. Oh yeah, and excellent boxing out too from the Magic defenders.
Oh, beautiful. Threading the needle there by Taylor.
Working hard to get free. It was the right idea, bouncing it to the top of the circle.
Well, Brooklyn Murray also just challenging that change of angle. Needs to make this count, Georgia Heffernan.
Tapped down by Mackay there, picked up by her teammate. Top of the circle. Nice punch forward from Taylor. That was great. Efficient work from the Magic.
There's a very quick shooting action, just turns to the post, sights it nice and early, lets the ball go.
That's the way you want shooters to be, really. Otherwise, they start overthinking it.
Yeah.
Oh, good challenge from Monroe Manoa. Oh, clever ball. Oh. Lucky to still hold on to it, the Magic.
Oh, beautiful repositioning on the top of the circle. Again, just that forced error by the Magic.
Cable Dixon. Yeah, great drive, top of the circle. And with the release.
Yeah, you're on. Nice, Sarah.
Beautiful rebound position there by Guinea as we have a team timeout called by the Steel. Potentially the last one of the game.
Yeah, Magic pulling away even more, so a chance for the Steel to recalibrate, perhaps.
Both of these teams, I believe, are playing tomorrow.
Yep. Yeah, I'm glad we get to see them again.
Yep.
Yeah, so tomorrow morning it's Pulse Magic at 8:30 and Mystic Steel at 10:30 a.m.
So another good opportunity for both these head coaches just to test out combinations. As mentioned, the ANZ Premiership is only 4 weeks away, starting the weekend after Easter.
Yeah, striking a pose down there.
I know.
Oh, and a cartwheel. I don't think I can do a cartwheel anymore.
I probably would break my back if I even attempted to do a cartwheel. Makes me tired thinking about it, as we have about 4.5 minutes left of this final match of day 2 here at Te Wānanga o Raukawa. It's been an incredible day, so much talent out on court. And just while these teams make their way back out onto court, just a quick mention to our Kiwi girls playing over in Australia, well, some are playing for the first time today, making their debut later this evening.
Yeah, it's going to be fascinating, isn't it?
To be honest, I'm really excited. I can't wait to watch the opportunities. And actually, Kate Heffernan is coming up against Grace Wickett this evening. It's the Thunderbirds versus the Steel. So plenty of Kiwis in action right across the board.
Bingham having to go back for support. Boy, who's she going to go to? Backwards. Good defensive work here from the Magic. Everyone chipping in. That just relieves the pressure.
And just Not dropping for Heffernan. Oh, give me a point. Putting that big left hand up.
Dona Kamakama finding plenty of space.
Fafita, and she gains the ball as well.
Oh, slick work in the middle there.
Have a look at this. Fafita and the gather two. Again, the intensity of pressure certainly lifted a notch by the Magic. Likewise down this attacking end.
Yeah, training partner Kenza Taylor. Been impressive. Nice roll from Heffernan. They're behind the steal. They need this. Into the hands of the Magic defenders.
Well, she's going to gobble up that rebound, you know, 9 times out of 10, given the height difference. Serena Dona Kamakama doing all she can to keep her side in the match.
Yeah, Dona Kamakama has been one of the standouts so far this weekend.
I have to agree. Beautiful shot there by Bingham. Have a look at this. All eyes on the ball. She did a lot of her pre-season. Dona Kamakama with the Mystics back home in Auckland.
Taylor in the 2-point zone. She's going to have a crack at it. That's worth it.
Impressive. Kate Taylor, very accurate this evening.
Poi swings it left to Dona Kamakama. Just punching down on that ball for Theta. Oh, okay, into the hands of Taylor, it works.
I don't think they were going for Taylor, but just by luck she was there. Guinea.
Bingham sends it down to Poi.
Final minute of the game coming up. Mikaide, well, she read it nicely, just needed to take her feet.
Bingham goes for the 2-point shot. She makes it.
Again.
Cable Dixon, nice control, circle edge.
Yeah, that second phase with Taylor for the 2.
Wow, she just no hesitation whatsoever.
Look at the bench as well. The reaction, the support.
She's going to let it rip.
Wow, what a feed.
Heffernan for the 2. Into the hands of the Magic. Mononanoa having a crack.
Well, I'll get the ball to Kate Taylor. She's got a hot hand at the moment. And they do.
Yeah, she pulls the trigger, Makaide.
Literally screaming at her shot. As we have full time, the final whistle goes for the last game to Kemi Mutunga here at Te Wānanga Raukawa. It is the Magic that were too strong for the Steel, 45-33, an impressive final 3 quarters by the Magic, Bridget.
Yeah, basically from the second quarter, they just kept improving. I was picking a far closer game based on what we'd seen from the Steel earlier, but credit to the Magic for turning things around, and also, you know, a lot of their non-starting players, if you like, got a fair amount of court time as well. So impressive stuff from the Magic.
Certainly impressive. One person that stood up for me, Georgie Edgecombe, as we spoke about in commentary, but also Kate Taylor. So accurate at the post, shooting those long 2-point shots, but also just being such a strong option down there for the Magic. As the teams, both teams deserve a well-rest this evening.
Yeah, just a recap of some of the earlier results today. Oh, yeah, as you were saying, Cruz, yeah, it's good to take another look at what we saw from Edgecombe. Yep, she's strong, whether she's at wing defence or centre, Edgecombe, and the commitment as well. And it looks like Cruz Tangira has the co-captain of the Magic herself, Georgie Edgecombe.
Georgie, congratulations, some fantastic game from your side this evening. I was talking to MJ at the start of the game. One of the focuses for tonight's match was the CPA, centre pass attacks. You must be pretty happy with that performance this evening.
Yeah, it was a big focus on just what we know we do well, and that's running our lines real strongly and decisively, and I think the girls really managed to do that tonight, and it just made the attacking end flow a bit nicer.
One other thing, or one other person that made the attacking end flow was you. Led by example, now you're the co-captain of the team. Has that, I guess, given you a bit more licence to kind of get out there and really stamp your authority out on court?
That's a good question. I think I always try and lead through my actions and by example, so as long as I go out there and do my job the best I can, I'll be happy with that.
Now you've got one more final opportunity tomorrow to come out on court, put some combinations out there, maybe try some new things. What do you hope to see in that game, your final game of your pre-season here in Otaki?
Yeah, really looking forward to our Pulse game against the Pulse. I think, again, we focused coming into this game about us, and we'll take that into tomorrow, just solidifying some more combos. I mean, coaches are throwing everyone out there, so it's a good opportunity to, you know, people to put their foot forward.
It certainly is, and people are certainly putting their foot forward. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of this evening, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.
Thank you, Cruz.
So the Magic enjoying a 45-33 win over the Steel. The final game of the day in Mihiana ki ngā kapa e rua nei. Kei ware hoki mai anō a pōpō. Don't forget to come back tomorrow morning. We have got the Pulse versus Magic and then Mystic Steel. Mate wā.